Welcome back to the Frugal Homestead, guys. Today I wanted to talk to you about compost only gardening and how it can help improve your plants in your garden. Some people will tell you that you need to add chemical fertilizers or other additives to get a great result in your plants in your garden, but we grow ours in just compost. As you can see in my 4 grape tomato plants here, they are thriving like crazy. And also, the taste of these things from just compost, so much better. Our raspberries, we also just put a top coat of compost on every year at the beginning of the season. These raspberries are on their 2nd batch of the year. So look at this, guys. These plants are 6 to 7 foot tall. Like, I'm glad that they kind of bend over well because I wouldn't be able to pick them otherwise. Look at the stalk though, how thick that is and how nice. And it's getting tons of berries again. And we get great yields from these raspberry plants every year just with the compost. Absolutely no commercial fertilizers or additives. Now, it's important to say that everyone's going to make their compost differently according to what is readily available to you at the time. But generally, we use basic 4 ingredients of our grass clippings, manure, comfrey, and wood chips. And we usually just put it in a bin, let it compost down all year long, and it's ready by the next season. And that works great for us. And then we top all of our beds off with it. Now, I'm going to get the rest of these picked, and I will see you guys in the next one.